This video will demonstrate the operation steps for using a high-frequency UPS. Step 1. Connection. Connect to the input socket. Connect to the output jack. Connect the voltage output line. Start connecting the lines. Connection completed. Step 2. Power on. Turn on the main power switch. Switch on the power grid. The screen lights up and it is currently in bypass mode. Check the status of the battery. There is no abnormal condition. Let's start the machine. Press the on and test buttons for 3 seconds to activate the machine. Check the data of each attribute. Step 3. Shut down. Click the shutdown button at the lower left corner of the screen. Disconnect from the power grid. The system will shut down within 1 minute. Thanks for watching.